here's what we do. Here's our protocol for getting rid of the parasites. Obviously, following good, healthy diet and lifestyle practices, making sure we're really trying to prioritize good sleep, keeping stress under control, good, healthy nutrition principles like I teach, opening up all the drainage pathways, doing things like castor oil packs, over your liver to help open up, dilate the liver can be really helpful. Making sure you're hydrating well, dry brushing your skin to open your lymphatics, infrared sauna, all these things can be super helpful, right? And you want to open up all your drainage pathways. You want to make sure you're moving your bowels. If you have constipation, you don't want to do any sort of parasite killing until you get your bowels moving regularly. So you can take high dose magnesium. We have a couple products. One is Oxy powder, another is Bowel Mover. Bowel Mover uses herbs. Oxy powder uses oxygenated magnesium to help really move the bowels, right? And get things moving through the bowels. That's so important. And we can't get into any sort of parasite killing activity until we have regular, at least 1 to 2 good bowel movements every single day. So that's the first thing, getting the bowels moving, really trying to open up and improve our respiration, nose breathing, not mouth breathing as much as possible, nasal breathing. Doing deep breathing practices can be really helpful. So we want to be able to excrete more toxins through our breath, through urination. So good hydration, super key. Through perspiration, that's where something like infrared sauna can be really helpful. And then through defecation, right? So that's why we want to move our bowels. Then what we do is around the full moon, I mentioned how when the full moon comes out, like starting about a week before the full moon, we have more light in the nighttime sky, and it's a trigger on our physiology where we don't produce as much melatonin. So we have serotonin in our system. Serotonin normally converts into melatonin. When there's less conversion because we're exposed to this light at night, now we have elevated serotonin, a little bit less melatonin, and that serotonin triggers the parasite activity. So this is when the parasites are out of the cyst or the dormant stage and in the trophocyte stage. So we hit it. We use 3 products. One is called Para 1. This is called the gut scrubber. It's an herb called Mimosa pudica, which makes a gelatinous, sticky substance in the gut. And that will help grab these worms. It will grab some of those protozoa and amoeba and just kind of pull them through the system. Again, making sure we're moving our bowels because that's how we're going to eliminate these. Super important. So we use the Para 1. We use the Para 2, right? And there's different protocols. We have like a 7-day protocol, a 3-day protocol, right? You can check out the link in the show notes, which will actually go through the protocol and how it works. The Para 2 is a bunch of different herbs, things like clove, vidanga, neem, right? There's a bunch of different herbs in there, amla, that strengthen the immune system. Some of them are extremely antimicrobial, particularly killing off eggs, parasitic eggs, right? So not only killing the parasite, but also killing the eggs as well. So we're sweeping the gut. We're also using different herbals to help improve the immune function of the gut and to help kill off eggs and to kill these really small protozoa and amoeba. The clove is really powerful for that. The neem is really good for that. And that's what we have in the Para 2. So protozoa egg killer. And then we use a binder, okay? And there's a number of good ones. We have a good one called GI Detox, but for the parasites, what we found is that the biotoxin binder tends to work the best. It's a great binder for pulling endotoxins that are released from these parasites, helping grab them and pull them out of the system. It contains humic acid and fulvic acid, which actually helps strengthen cellular activity. There's also things like broccoli sprout in there, which help increase our ability to buffer oxidative stress. So it helps with cellular regeneration, protecting all the cells, while also pulling out endotoxins, mycotoxins, all different toxins that are associated with the killing process of these parasites and other toxins that may have built up in our GI system or in our blood. It's going to help pull those things out of the system. And so we have a specific protocol utilizing the full moon for getting the best benefit when the parasites are most active to go through and to kill them. And so that's really how we go about this. So ultimately, the truth about parasites is a lot more common than most people think. Many of you guys that are listening to this are actually dealing with parasite infections that are driving inflammation throughout your body, causing a whole lot of unwanted symptoms. But if you follow the right practices, you can eliminate these, or at least get them way below your threshold, right? To where they are not causing problems in your body and you've got them under control, and really be able to get your life and your health back.